Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Gotti's Garage. This is part 4 of Project Trailer, and I'm happy to say that the trailer sold literally right after that third video that I made. Part 3 of the trailer's ready to sell. I mentioned that somebody was coming to look at it, and they ended up buying it for my lowest asking price, which we'll get at the end of this video. All right, so let's start from the beginning. We picked up this old, decrepit, ancient looking trailer that looked like it had been sitting outside for years and years. We bought that trailer for $400, bought about an hour away. Now in this whole video, I'm not gonna add in the cost of gas because I honestly didn't write any of that down. So we bought the trailer for $400. So the cost of materials, I'm putting those things on the stuff at Amazon that I bought, and that would be the LED light kit, the 4 LED lights replacing the old broken ones that only one of them worked, as well as the tail lights. I included those in together. The tail lights were actually, they came out to $13. Yeah, the tail lights came out to $13. I didn't buy those on Amazon though. I did get those from the store. Then also we got the 5,000 pound jack. Now you could have gone cheaper. You could have just got a 1,000 pound jack depending on the trailer. So we could have saved money there, but I just wanted something that was a little overkill because the jack is fairly important. So I got the jack as well as the junction box and then the wiring. So all of that came out to $148.17. So that wasn't, you know, it's kind of pricey, but it's not bad. Now the deck boards. We had to get, it was 12 deck boards. They were 12 foot long, treated deck boards. I got them right at Lowe's. I think they were $9 a piece or something. Total came out to $120. That's with tax and everything. There's some cents on there. I'm just not going to add the cents. I'm rounding up from the highest number, so if it's over 50 cents, I'm going to round up to the nearest dollar. Now all the carriage bolts, washers, nuts, and paint, also the screws, that all came out to $30. I bought $1 cans of paint, spray paint, you know, just to make it look nice, and it's a trailer, so it's going to get scuffed up and stuff. So I didn't see the point on, you know, really doing a expensive job painting the trailer. It all worked out, so that's always good. So that was $30. Now we decided to add the sideboards for practicality and usage. It would stand out to more people. It'd have more of a usage than just somebody looking to haul around their lawnmower, four-wheeler, side-by-sides. You know, with the sideboards, they could carry things like wood, mulch, you know, dirt if they wanted to, stuff like that. So we decided to add those sideboards. They were not treated. They were 2x8s. So we bought 3 2x4s. Only ended up using like 1 1/4. So I could have actually got away with using that, just, you know, getting like a 12-foot board or something. I ended up getting 7-foot 2x4s. We got 3 2x8s, non-treated. Just made sure they were straight, they looked good and stuff like that. And those came out to $60. You could actually, if we wanted to, since we didn't use the other boards, we could actually cut that cost by a little bit, but I don't know exactly, so I just left it as, you know, $60. So the total cost in all of those, Amazon, you know, all the lights, wiring, boards, everything, came out to $758 with the cost of the trailer. So $400, and everything else came out to $758 total. Now, when the guy showed up, he obviously did his research. He knew what he was doing, and he definitely brought that to my attention. I put it up on Facebook Marketplace for $2,000 or best offer. I knew that it needed tires, so I planned on going down in price if anybody mentioned the tires and stuff, which he did. But he wanted to offer me $1,200. He saw how nice the trailer looked, how it was a practically brand new trailer, and he offered me $1,300. I told him, I was like, well, could you do $1,600? And he thought about it a little bit, and then he came up to $1,400. And I was like, well, my bottom line is $1,500. Take it or leave it. But that is as low as I'm going to go. And then I started listing off things that I did. I was like, it has all brand new wiring, it has a brand new junction box, everything works, trailer brakes work, all LED lights, brand new boards, brand new decks. It will last you a very long time. Solid frame. There was no rust, no holes, no cracks or anything in the frame. Everything looked pristine and good. He thought about it for a second, looked around the trailer, and he agreed to $1,500. Paid me cash right then and there. So yeah, I sold that for $1,500 after only putting a total cost of $758 into the whole trailer. UPS is here. Was it worth it? We almost doubled our money, so we had a total of $758 into the whole trailer, and the profit we got out of it was $742. So, was it worth it? I think it was definitely worth it. It was a fun experience. It was quick, a fast turnaround. Literally, the day I put it up for sale, well, the next day actually. It wasn't up for sale for 24 hours before somebody said he was gonna come look at it, and it sold. So yes, I think it was definitely worth it, and I think this is a project that if you're sitting at home, or you know, you go to work and you sit at home and you're kind of bored, you want to kind of get into something, you want to make some little extra money, this is the perfect way. Just make sure you buy the trailer low, you put cheap materials on it, and then you sell it. Trailers are easy profit. Everybody's looking for a trailer. Everybody wants a trailer. Trailers are very handy, very useful in multiple different things. You know, companies, businesses, farmers, you know, anybody could use a trailer. If you put up a trailer for a decent price, even higher. So you always want to start higher, obviously, and work your way down. Now, if I would have, you know, my bottom line was $1,500. That was what I wanted. I definitely spent a little bit more on the trailer than I wanted to. I wanted to kind of, not really even out on the profit. Well, I didn't even out on the profit, you know what I mean. I didn't want to just 100% double. I was kind of trying to get like a little bit more from that, but that is why I put it for $2,000, and I had tons of room for negotiation. So, sold for $1,500, $500 below my asking price, but my bottom line asking price. So I knew that I was gonna make money. I knew that I was gonna make pretty good money. And yeah, I had a lot of fun with that trailer. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video series. If you guys like things like this, please put down in the comments below, and we'll try to do some more if we can find some. I mean, I'll even travel to go buy a cheap trailer and show you guys the outcome. So if you guys have any questions or anything on any of the 4 videos, how to wire up the junction box or anything like that, put it down below and I will answer the best to my ability. I know I didn't record putting the trailer together, but that was because we were having a snowstorm. I started doing it outside, so I took it to my girlfriend's parents' house. And yeah, I just didn't record because I was trying to get it done as fast as possible to get a quick turnaround. And the video, you know, this video series wasn't really a how-to. It was more showing how to make money. You know, like a little side hustle, something like that. So, anyways, give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, guys, because there's gonna be a lot more projects coming around. 2022 is gonna be a great year, and yeah, I'm just trying to grow my channel a little bit. You know, it's doing pretty well, and I really love doing this. It's something I'm very passionate about, and I won't give up, and I won't quit. So hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and go visit www.guydysgarage1.com. There's a bunch of variety of merch on there: sweatshirts, t-shirts, hats, RAM stability control harnesses. You can buy a lot of things on there, and everything in there will help support not only my family, but as well as the YouTube channel, and hopefully keep growing this so I can continue to do what I love. So you guys have a great day. Stay different. Go out there and make some money. Go start a project. Go do a build. Get out there, get some hands-on learning skills, because you won't regret it. In the end, it always works out. See you guys.